Condors are unique animals that can fly for hours. This typical North American animal has large wings and is one of the heaviest birds in the world. The heaviest bird in the world. The condor, also known as the Andean condor or Vilter griffith, is the largest bird species in the world. This bird weighs up to 16 kilograms. In addition, the wingspan of this bird can reach 3 meters, while the body length is about 1.2 meters. Another physical feature of this bird is a bald head and neck. The color of this bird's feathers is a combination of black and white. On the wings, there are several parts that are white and black. Meanwhile, on the neck of this bird, there is white fur that resembles a scarf. Have extraordinary immunity. The condor is a type of animal that lives by eating carrion. Even though they live by eating carrion, this bird has never been exposed to disease from bacteria in the carcass. This is because condors have immunity that can fight all the bacteria in the carcasses of their food. In addition, the bald part of the head allows this animal to easily clean food residue on its head. The unique thing about this animal is its ability to fly. Condors are animals that can fly for hours. From the results of research, it is known that a condor at a young age can fly more than 230 hours. In addition, these animals often fly at an altitude of about 4,500 meters above sea level. During flight, these animals also rarely flap their wings and just float. This animal will follow the air currents and only flap its wings a few times. After flying long distances, condors will be very selective when choosing where to land. This large-bodied animal also likes sunbathing. Condors like to sunbathe casually while spreading their wings. Usually, this bird will perch on a cliff and spread its wings to get sunlight. This method is done to treat the feathers of this bird to keep it healthy. Condors are not worried about the sun's temperature being too hot, because these animals can cool their bodies. This cooling is known as urohydrosis or urinating on your own feet. This is done when the condor feels the air temperature is too hot. Condors are now declared as protected animals after their numbers continue to decrease. The decline in these animals is due to the large amount of poaching and lead poisoning. These animals can be poisoned by eating animals killed by hunters. In addition, the damaged habitat is also the cause of the decrease in the number of these birds. This bird is now under the protection of the Los Padres National Forest in California. In the 1980s, there were only 22 of these birds.